Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video about the Redmi Earbuds S model. So this is the recent launch of the Redmi Bluetooth wireless earbud. So in this video I am going to share you about its unboxing and its full review. So also I am going to share you about how it will be its audio quality and how it other features and how it is user experience and all other things I am going to share about its Redmi Earbuds S model. So let's get started guys. Firstly, before going into the video, let's have a quick look of this Redmi Earbuds S model. This Redmi Earbuds S comes with the charging case. The charging case has a 300 mAh of battery and each earbud has a 43 mAh of battery, and this Redmi Earbuds S comes with the Bluetooth connection having a version 5.0 and it has IP exposed sweat and splash proof. The Redmi Earbuds S comes with the 10 mm of driver unit and it designed in only black color. It has the micro USB port connectivity for charging this charging case. It comes with the multifunction button and having a dedicated latency mode too. Finally, this Redmi Earbuds S comes for the price of Rs 1799 and it will be available through Amazon and mi.com. Now this is how the Redmi Earbuds S packages comes from. On the front side it shows some of the highlights of the Redmi earbuds, and on the rear side it has a package content and other details. And after unboxing the package, it comes with the Redmi Earbuds charging case, and along with that Redmi earbuds are here, and after that it comes with the pair of ear tips, and this has a small and a large size of ear tips, and the medium size of ear tips is already pre-installed in the earbuds itself. And after that it comes with the Redmi user manual, and these are all the three things contained in the package. And to charge this charging case, no USB cable is included in the package. Now on the physical overview of the Redmi earbuds, this Redmi earbuds has built in a plastic material fully, and it having a black color variant. So the whole body is textured in the black color and having a soft finish at the top and having the rough surface at the bottom. And actually this black texture is really good. It has a smooth finish, and at the side, at the front, it has the invisible LED light, and at the rear side having a micro USB port for charging this charging case. Once you let you charge this charging case, you will be seeing a invisible LED light that will be shown here. Then this charging case comes with the compact size, so you can easily able to hold this charging case into your palm. And apart from that, there is nothing else on the outer side of the charging case. And after opening the charging case, inside 2 earbuds has been laid in the charging bed, and this charging bed has comes with the magnetic support, so there is no chance of earbuds fall down once you put it into the charging case. And this charging case has comes with the good build quality. It has a strong build quality, and charging case door is also good. And similarly, this charging case has no dedicated display or any other indicator for showing the available battery of this charging case. Now moving on to the Redmi earbuds. These earbuds is also fully built on a plastic material. It actually designed in an inclined position for better wearing on the ears. And this Redmi earbuds comes with the button control. It's not a touch control, and to access this button you have to give some force because this button is tough, so you have to give some force to access this button. So if you press the button while wearing the earbud in your ear means it will affect your ear lobes, and it makes sometimes some pain, so you have to make an adjustable touch while you're wearing on the ear to avoid the pain. This multifunction button has few controls, like you can play pause by tapping on single tap on the earbud, and then you can activate Google Assistant by double tapping on any one of the earbud, and you can attend and disconnect the call by just tapping the earbud, and during the call you can able to switch to 1 or 2 calls by just double tapping. And then it has a dedicated gaming mode. By triple tapping on the earbud, it enters into the gaming mode. Once you enter into the gaming mode, which reduces the latency to 122 milliseconds, so it will give you a further experience while you are playing games. And also to be noted, this Redmi earbuds has not as the option to control the volume and to switch the next song, and this is the one of the major drawback. And after that, this Redmi earbuds on the rear side having the connector port. Then this Redmi earbuds comes with the invisible LED lighting, so you can able to view this LED light once once you place the earbuds into the charging case. And on the both earbuds, as L and R mentioned, then this Redmi earbuds has comes with the very tiny size, and it is based on the in-ear type earbud, and on wearing this earbud it gives you comfort, so you can easily wear this earbud and it will never fall down even jogging or walking or rushing into summer also. So it will comfortably fits into ear and it never falls down. Even I am shaking the head also, it will never falls down from my ear. So this is based on an in-ear type earphone. Also, in case if you are riding through bike in somewhere else also, even if you are putting the helmet also, it will never reflects any pain in your ear. So this earbud is comfortably fits into your ear. Also, it is based on the ear sizes you are having, and similarly this earbud has comes with the 3 size of ear tips. So this is the medium size. So based on your ear size you can opt for the any other sizes of the ear tips, and it makes you some comfortable fitness on wearing this earbud. Now in terms of connectivity, this Redmi earbuds comes with the Bluetooth version 5.0 connectivity, and it can be connected instantly once you take off the earbuds from this charging case. It has the automatic dual mode and the single mode switching, so you can connect any one of the earbud or both the earbud instantly and seamlessly. To connect this earbud, you have to just take off the earbuds from this charging case and it goes to the pairing mode automatically, and for the first time you have to select them manually on the smartphone. After that it paired automatically to the previously paired smartphones. Similarly, you can use one of the earbud or both earbud. So you have, so if you, in case if you are using the single earbud win, just place the one earbud into the charging case and the single mode pairing mode is automatically switched, so you can hear songs in a single earbud only. So in case if you are wish to hear in dual earbud means, just take off the earbud from this charging case, and after that these both earbud it automatically paired and goes to the dual mode pairing. So all this will be happens automatically. So in terms of connectivity, this Redmi earbuds has the fast, instant and seamless connection. And similarly in terms of connection range, I actually tested this Redmi earbuds by keeping my smartphone here and I go to the next room, and even at this condition also it will gives a good connection range and I will able to hear the audio clearly, but not more than one room. Now in terms of audio quality, this is the most important thing for every users. This Redmi earbuds has comes with the good bass and having the crystal clear vocal, and I feel energetic on hearing music in this Redmi earbud Bluetooth earphone. This Redmi earbuds has comes with the good sound optimization feature, so you can able to wear at the maximum frequency in maximum volume and at the lower frequency at lower volume. At any of this volume and at any of this frequency you can able to hear the crystal clear vocals and good bass sounds. And the bass sound is not a normal bass, the bass sound actually gives a live and energetic bass sound. So that is the one thing I feel in this Redmi earbuds, and also I can able to feel and differentiate between the vocals and the bass. So if you concentrate on the bass sounds only means you will feel that differences live and energetic bass sounds in this Redmi earbuds. And likewise this Redmi earbuds is not over sound and it never feels me like irritating on hearing music through this Redmi earbuds. So overall in terms of audio quality, this Redmi earbuds has given a crystal clear vocals and have a live and energetic bass sounds. So on these two conditions you can able to feel that energetic sounds on hearing music through this Redmi earbuds. So these Redmi earbuds will never disappoint you in terms of audio quality. And similarly in terms of microphone quality, both earbuds has the dedicated microphone on each earbud separately. So this earbud has a good microphone quality and you can speak calls even at the noisy circumstance, and on recording audio also it gives a crystal clear audio. It has slightly active noise cancellation, so on recording audio through this Redmi earbuds gives a smooth and clear audio output. Finally, in terms of battery, this Redmi Earbuds S model has comes with the 300 mAh of battery in the charging case, and each earbud has a 43 mAh of battery. And I have already mentioned in more Bluetooth earbuds review video that if any earbud has comes with the charging case, you no need to worry about its battery consumption. So because each earbud has comes with a 43 mAh of battery, it will give you 3 to 4 hours of continuous music playback. In case this this earbud as battery is down means you can refill again through this charging case, and this charging case is having a 300 mAh of battery. So approximately it gives you a 10 to 12 hours of total music playback on single charge of both earbuds and the charging case. So if you guys hearing music per day for 2 hours, like that means it will give you a 1 week of music playback, and that is more or less enough for a user. So you need to charge this charging case once a week only. So in terms of battery consumption, as like other earbuds, this Redmi earbuds is also one of the good thing. So there is no issue in terms of battery consumption. Now finally, to sum it up all the features of the Redmi earbuds, here I come up with the pros and cons, and this Redmi earbuds has comes with a few pros and few cons. And first of all, in terms of pros, these Redmi earbuds have the compact in size, so you can easily hold into your palm, and then it comes with the black color variant, and this design is actually good. And then this Redmi earbuds is also comfortably fits into the ear. So this is an in-ear type, it actually fits into the ear comfortably, so there is no issue on that. And after that, in terms of audio quality, it gives good bass, and that bass is actually live and energetic. And after that, it has very good microphone quality, so you can make quality calls. And this earbud comes with the IPX4 sweat and splash proof. These are all the pros of this Redmi earbuds. Now let's move on to its cons, that is called the drawbacks. This earbuds has not the control of switching to the next song, so you're not able to switch to the next song right from the earbud. And similarly, this Redmi earbuds is not supported with the volume control option, so you're not able to control the volume through this Redmi earbud. So you need to use your mobile phone every time to switch to the next song and to switch and to control the volume. But mine having some of the alternate option, like you can use the dedicated Google Assistant right from this earbud. You can just double tap the earbud to activate the Google Assistant, and after that you can just say some commands like switch to the next song, to switch the next song, and likewise to reduce the volume to minimum, and increase the volume to maximum to manage the sound volumes. So these are all the alternate ways, but it takes some time. And after that, this Redmi earbuds charging case has not comes with the any LED indicator or any dedicated display to show off the how much of available battery. So this Redmi earbuds is not having that much of feature in the charging case, so you need to charge this charging case in approximate manner only, so you can't able to find how much available batteries available in this charging case. And finally, this video has comes to the end. So these are all the features of the Redmi earbuds and its full review, and I share the maximum about this product. And hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like and let me know in the comments how do you like this Redmi earbud product. And if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below, and thanks for watching this video guys.